Hi guys, we have an incredibly special video for you today. Look at this dream Hermes tower. I mean, who doesn't want to see a pile of orange boxes in their living room? We've got some incredible new Hermes pieces and we're gonna unbox them all for you today. Okay, first up, the top of the pyramid, we have something very special in here and I'm so excited to show you. Okay. And if you're not keeping your Hermes ribbons, I don't even want to talk to you. These are collector's items. Okay. Have a guess. What do you think could be in this box? Okay. Here we have the most magnificent Kelly to go wallet. This is in the shade Blue Baltic in shiny alligator lace. This color, I can't even explain to you how stunning it is in person. It's like this really deep marine navy color and the way it catches the light is so stunning. It's with palladium hardware. And if you saw recently Miss Kylie Jenner's TikTok, you would have seen that her and Kendall Jenner both have shiny alligator Kelly to goes as their day-to-day wallet. This is an incredible piece for several reasons. Firstly, you can use this as a wallet. However, it also comes, and I'm going to show you, it also comes with a crossbody strap. So I'm going to open this very, very carefully. So, once we've opened her, she comes with a detachable crossbody strap. So this piece can be worn as a wallet, it can be worn as a crossbody bag, or even this can even be doubled and you can wear her as a shoulder bag. So she's incredible, she's versatile, and she's iconic. I mean, if she's good enough for Miss Kylie and Kendall Jenner, she's good enough for me. Next up, we have a very special Evelyn. This isn't your regular Evelyn. She's a very rare, special version of the classic shape. Okay. There's nothing like Hermes tissue, opening the tissue paper on an Hermes box. It's like Christmas. Now, I can already tell you what kind of leather this bag is just by the most amazing smell that is coming out of this bag. This is Barenia leather and it has the most incredible rich leather smell that the typical Hermes leathers don't tend to have. She is in the color Ebene with gold hardware and, like I said, Barenia leather. Barenia leather is so special, so rare. It's one of the most heritage Hermes leathers, and over time it gets this really incredible, rich, kind of aged look to the leather, and therefore is one of the collector's favorite leather finishes from Hermes. It is a staple in every Hermes collection, and in this color as well is so stunning. It's such a rich, dark, ashy brown that's perfect to pair with so many colors for every single season. In addition, the Evelyn is such an amazing everyday bag. She's so comfortable, she's so easy to wear, and she's so cute in this mini size. I love her. Let's see what we have next. Any guesses? This is like Christmas. I'm having so much fun. I cannot wait to show you this piece. This is just such an iconic piece. What do you think? Any guesses? Is she a Birkin? Is she a Kelly? This color combination. I'm obsessed. Okay. Let me show you this stunning Cellier Birkin in arguably one of the most in demand and most iconic Hermes colorways. This is a taupe with gold hardware, Cellier Birkin 25 in Epsom leather. This is such an iconic piece to have in your collection. You simply cannot go wrong with this bag. So, a taupe is one of the most popular Hermes colors. This is because it is the perfect neutral that sits between beige and gray. So truly, if you like wearing warm and cool colors, a taupe is perfect for you. So all Hermes bags come new with the protective felt around the handle and the hardware. This really keeps everything super protected when the bag is in its box and being stored, and makes sure that it is absolutely perfect. As well, I honestly think this is such a great option for a Birkin, especially if you're someone who likes to use your bags quite heavily. Being the Cellier Birkin, so having these like hard edges here, and also being in a Epsom leather, this bag is so hard wearing. It's gonna keep its shape amazingly. It's not gonna sag or get loose with age at all. She's got a little bit more of a boxy look than a Retourne Birkin, but personally, I love that. I think it looks so chic. This is also a bag that can be dressed up or dressed down so amazingly, and she is such a staple in your collection, especially with the gold hardware. She's just so beautiful. We love her. Next, we've got some incredible shoes. I know it's January, but who doesn't love some winter sun? Or prep yourself for summer, because the second it gets warm, these babies are impossible to find. Can you guess? The most in-demand shoe at Hermes, the Chypre sandals. This time in a gorgeous black and white cotton. These are in a size 37.5, and oh my goodness, these are the most comfortable shoes you could put on your feet. You're gonna wanna be wearing these all summer long, so do yourself a favor and grab yourself some in the winter before they all sell out in the spring. Last, but certainly not least, in fact, my favorite of all of the pieces I've shown today, this is a very, very special bag, and I am so excited about this one. I don't know if you're ready for this. Here we have a Kelly bag, size 28, in black box calf leather with palladium hardware. This is one of the most iconic bags you could possibly buy yourself from Hermes, and one of the most incredible investment bags you could buy. Box leather is so iconic, so historical and heritage with the brand, and it honestly gets better and better and better with age. This is my favorite Hermes leather, my dream bag to own, and she is so perfect. Box leather, over time, it gets this incredible like shine to the leather, and it is so stunning. Again, she comes with her protective felt on to keep her nice and safe in her box. And oh my goodness, I just can't get over how beautiful of a bag this is. My dream is to own a box calf Hermes bag. She's so perfect. Also, it is quite rare actually. not many box pieces come out of Hermes each year, and it's so in demand because of the history behind the leather. So this is a really incredible piece for investment. And like I said, because the leather gets finer with age, your value of your bag is just gonna stay as best as possible and as high as possible over different leather options that you could have. So whoever grabs this one is one lucky person, because having this on your shelf is an ultimate Hermes collector's flex. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this major Hermes unboxing. All these pieces are now available to shop at Bagista in store or online. Get in touch if you want any further details on any of them. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more luxury handbag designer goodness. And I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.